Hey, it's Beatle J, and I hope you're having a Beatle day. And Beatle J has a Beatle day every day. Okay, so what I got here, I got two albums actually, the white one and the black one. This is the Beatles' first live recordings, and it was from their performances at the Star Club in Hamburg, Germany, 1962. Now this material has been released in many forms, and before I had these two records, I actually had a double gatefold album. It was two records in one package, and I sold it. And after I sold it, I regretted it. I did get $40 for it, but it was pulled out of my collection, so I had to get this back. But now with this particular record, the label on it, I believe it's a Canadian issue, and it's Pickwick label. Now I've had a listen to the recordings, and very exciting, low fidelity, but you get a good idea why Beatlemania started. Very high energy. Very raw, very sexual, but love the band, love the band. The Beatles' live performance at the Star Club was recorded December 1962 in Hamburg, Germany, and was released as a double album featuring live performances by the English rock band, the Beatles. The album was released in 1977 in a variety of versions, and it comprised of a total of 30 songs that were performed by the Beatles. The recordings were done with a single microphone on a home tape recorder. The results were less than spectacular, with very low fidelity results. The tapes were eventually bought by Paul Murphy, who invested in extensive audio processing to improve the sound. The Beatles at the Star Club provides an historical insight in the group's club act, and at this time Ringo Starr had just joined the lineup. The Beatles were initially unsuccessful in obtaining the rights to these performances,